Good afternoon. I'm Joe Van Cleve, Vice President of Cleve Asociates Incorporated. We're a woman-owned small business located in Alexandria, Virginia. We specialize in providing security and surveillance technologies. We're not a manufacturer, we're a systems integrator. Therefore, we have about 45 different suppliers or partners that we rely on for the latest and greatest in electronic security. A couple of feathers in our cap over the years. Back in 2006, 2007, we were in consecutive years, we were subcontractors to two different primes, both of whom won top 10 innovation awards by the U.S. Army. In 2016, we responded to the MITRE Counter Drone Challenge. We were one of 45 responders. They down selected to 8 firms. They gave out awards for Best Detection, Best Defeat, and Best Overall System. At the end of the competition, we were awarded Best Detection because of our radar and Best Overall System. For the AFWERX Challenge, we have 3 partners that we rely on for our white paper submittal. DMT Radar, based in Palmetto, Florida, about an hour outside of Tampa, not too far from Tyndall. Fortify Solutions, with offices in Rockville, Maryland. Their niche is a very unique fence sensor technology. And BCF Solutions, based in Dulles, Virginia. Their engineering expertise, systems integration, and design capabilities are experienced by the U.S. Air Force in both the FPS-3 and FPS-4 programs. Our team took a look at the 18-mile peninsula on which Tyndall is located and quickly realized that perimeter security was going to be a challenge. And that's where DMT radars come in. They were originally designed for both ground surveillance or maritime detection. And a couple of years ago, they optimized the radar cross-section for drone detection. In other words, their radars provide a twofer solution, either ground or maritime surveillance, as well as drone detection. Their radar operates in X-band, which is in the 9 gigahertz range, and that is ideal for use in challenging weather conditions, such as rain and fog, which Tyndall is subjected to. In addition, the Doppler feature is crucial for reducing clutter in the radar detection. And clutter in this case are blowing grasses, motion on the water, and those sorts of challenging environmental issues. The radar system can be connected directly into the Security Operations Center, which means that anytime there's a detection, the security operators will know immediately about that particular threat. In addition, the radar can communicate with the camera systems. Once the radar detects a threat, it will send that threat notification to the camera system as well, which will slew to queue, putting eyes on target, again allowing the security operators to know what the threat is all about. DMT radars are completely solid state. There are no moving parts. Mean time between failure is in the 4-year range. In other words, these will take a licking and keep on ticking. 24/7 operating capability. For those areas where fencing is needed, such as around runways, fuel and weapons storage areas, we've selected the V-Alert system. The V-Alert is a solid state fence sensor system. It's been through extremely challenging testing conditions. Both the Customs and Border Patrol, as well as the Israeli Defense Forces, have established a 1 false alarm per kilometer per month as an acceptable false alarm rate. For both customers, the V-Alert met or exceeded those expectations. After 1.5 years of testing, Customs and Border Patrol selected V-Alert as their fence sensor of choice for use along the southwest border. It took the Israeli Defense Forces 3 years of testing before they selected the V-Alert as their fence sensor of choice, which means the Air Force can rely on the existing test results from both of those unique customer requirements to include the V-Alert for requirements at Tyndall. V-Alert maintains high detection rates in both high winds and strong rain conditions, both of which Tyndall is subjected to. In conclusion, we greatly appreciate the opportunity to support the Tyndall AFWERX Challenge for improving security at the base. We look forward to your questions and answers, and we have our technical support team standing by, waiting to talk to you. Thanks again.